Hey guys, this is a Fanimation Covert ceiling fan. Has a light. It's dimmable. I think it has like a lot of speeds, but I can't tell. Okay, let's turn that off. Fan. I think that's the lowest speed. It doesn't really blow much air well. It's has this Fanimation remote. I guess that's the next speed up. Looks the same. There we go. I can feel a bit of air from it. Just go to basically high speed. Yeah, it pulls a good amount of air. Just go to next speed. I think that's high, but I'm not positive. Nope. This is probably high. Let's see if it'll go faster. Yep, this is high. Oh, this is high. Yeah, it was a good amount of air. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.